Worried that your Windows 11 PC might have a virus or malware? You don't need to install another antivirus program just to check your computer. Windows 11 already includes Windows Security, which can scan your PC for viruses and other threats. Here's exactly how to run a virus scan on Windows 11. First, right click the Windows logo in the taskbar and then click Settings. Once settings open, click privacy and security from the left hand side. Next, click Windows security. Here you will see the virus and threat protection option. Simply click on it. Under current threats, you will find the quick scan. Click quick scan and Windows security will start checking your PC for viruses, malware and other security threats. If Windows detects a threat, you will see the details on the screen along with the recommended action you can take. And that's how you can quickly scan your Windows 11 PC for viruses using the built-in Windows Security app. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. And if you are looking for useful digital products, visit my store. You will find the link in the description.